guys, Couch Gamer here, and this is part 2 of me showing you guys DJ Romeo.
You just upgraded the whole of China. Can they hear me through the TV?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the wall of China. I get tired of griefers, and I thought it would be cool to build this. I'm still building my house here. If anybody would like to help, you can have your name on the project. Still trying to make my basement, and it's going to be about 54 stories high. And then I got to make the attic and stuff like that. Well, this is supposed to be a very well-defended place, so I built a runway with an airplane. If anything ever happens, I have an airplane. It is landing right here. I just now built it before he came on. Hey.
Where are you?
I'm over on the runway. Okay, I decided to build this airplane right here. Just build it. It's really cool. I built it right before he got on this wall. Really cool. Yeah, just check out inside and then we can go see some more stuff inside the World Trade. Here's an emergency ramp. If you can't make it off in time, you just fly off of that, try to pick up your speed and try it again. And then come over here, down to my house again. Still trying to help on it. Hey. Trump's is a very, very big place.
Which one?
Like, which one? There's only one.
I'm inside it.
Okay. If anybody would like to help with this house, they can help, really tall and maybe at least 3 stories and have an attic and a basement. So, let's go down here. And I guess that's it. Show them my gamer tag on the exit.
Wait, yeah, I think on any video here, I'm probably gonna get off of it.
Alright, hey, make sure they see my gamer tag.
Wait, I wanna show them this, the chart thing.
Oh yeah, and, send me a message of your channel.
My channel?
Make sure you put my gamer tag in the link, alright?
Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna be recording tomorrow. Here is DJ Romeo's gamer tag.